Thank you. My heart's beating. I was like, really? Come on. Okay, no, God. It's still going. I'm Carrie Lee. I'm from Bossier City, Louisiana, and I joined First Place in January 2009 after I gained 15 pounds getting married 3 months ago and before. And I kind of got thrown into leading in a sense. Not really, but God threw me into leading is what I mean by that. My co-leader or the leader asked me, will you co-lead with me in the fall? And it was a male. He said, I really feel that I need that female, side point since most of our people are in the class are females. I said, okay. And he said, you just come, smile, do your thing, and they'll be happy. I said, okay, that's fine. And Shanda Thornsberry in the back over there led the morning classes, and she said, if you need anything, you just call me. I did. And long story made short, he ended up having not to be able to do it, and I picked up the spring session by myself and on my own, and I got pregnant that fall and didn't lose weight, but stayed faithful to him and knowing, God, you are going to do something. You're going to do something so amazing. I know you are. There's something. We don't know what he's going to do. We don't know how he's going to use us. We don't know where he's going to send us, but he's going to do it if we stay with him. I mean, my husband bringing me diet pills. The first session I joined here, this will get you started. I'm like, that is saying I don't trust God. That is saying that I prayed the prayer that very first night and said, Lord, I'm going to surrender this to you. You are not bigger than anything, and you will handle this for me. And if I swallow that pill, that's saying I don't trust you, And anyways, I just want to thank y'all. Thank you for the program, and I am going to continue to stay faithful. And I'm still not at goal. I'm down 22 pounds, but I have, I'm not at goal because I know I'm not where God wants me to be just yet, And thank y'all. And I guess the biggest thing is don't look and say, she's 25 years old, she can't do it. Or Shanda picked me out. The Spirit led her and said, Carrie, you can do this. Richard, you can do this. Pull us in there, please, because y'all are all talking about our young children. We are having them, and that's one of the biggest things. God has me where that first year of my child's life, she had not one bite of sugar. And had I lost all that weight in the beginning and stepped out that next session and got pregnant and gained 65 pounds, and I didn't, I gained 32, and fed my baby butterine cookies at the church and all the things that these parents are feeding 9-month-olds. I mean, I had workers at church tell me, she cannot have a cookie. No, she's not one. What nutritional value does that have? I want her brain to grow. I want her to like broccoli. So thank y'all.
That's wonderful. Love you. Thank you, Carrie.